Android 8 is noticeably faster, more intuitive, and improves battery life. Although it will be released to the Pixel smartphones first, smartphones like the OnePlus, including the OnePlus 5, will get the update as well. The new operating system offers a lot of new features, revamped notification, and better battery management. Battery life, another serious improvement. New limits in Oreo, increased control over how apps can run in the background. Cutting down on rogue app behavior makes a noticeable difference to battery life. Android Oreo also brings smart text selection, where the OS can recognize a phone number or an address on selecting a text, for example a phone number. Android Oreo will display a call option along with the usual cut and copy option. It will take you to the Google Maps if you select an address. Google Play Protect. Google Play Protect program is aimed at keeping your phone safe from malicious apps. It scans more than 50 billion apps a day to maintain the quality of apps and get rid of those that fall short on the quality and security. Autofill feature. Google will now share your saved password in Google with third-party apps. For example, if you have logged into Twitter on Chrome and saved the password, it can be used to automatically log into the Twitter Android app as well. Picture in picture. This lets you minimize the video you are watching to a tiny window, allowing you to work on other things at the same time. It's a catch-up feature as Samsung and others have offered this for some time. Notification dots. Similar to iOS, long press on these dots and you can see a preview of the alert and swipe it away without going to the main notification bar. New emojis. For Android 8.0 Oreo, Google has introduced the rounded emojis that are compatible with other platforms too. The blobs have been replaced by these new emojis and they are pretty cute too. Audio is a new low latency API which again will help Android catch up with something iOS has excelled at for some time. Google has also added Sony's LDAC high bandwidth Bluetooth streaming protocol which delivers CD quality audio over Bluetooth. When it comes to device updates, Google releases new open source code, which is passed along to chip makers. It's up to them to create new drivers and make changes to the code, which is then passed along to device makers like Samsung and LG. They make changes to the OS for their phones or tablets, then push the update out. Project Treble. This is a big one. Oreo makes Android more modular, separating third-party handset makers. Customization from the core operating system. This should make it easier for handset makers to introduce faster Android upgrades, and it will be a game changer if they take advantage of it. Google is taking a big step towards rectifying Android's update woes with Project Treble. This is Google's attempt to modernize Android in order to make updates faster and maintain compatibility longer. Project Treble seeks to change the way that first step goes by introducing a new vendor interface that will contain all the low-level code for chipset, modems, and other hardware components. So when an OEM like Samsung wants to update a phone, it doesn't need to wait on hardware vendors to optimize the new Android code. They can simply make their changes. Android Oreo comes with a Wi-Fi feature that saves you from manually turning on Wi-Fi when you are near a known access point. This feature connects your phone to a known Wi-Fi point automatically whenever you are near it. You just have to go to the settings and enable turn on Wi-Fi automatically. Also there is connect to open networks that notifies when there is an open network nearby. Streamlined settings menu. The setting menu in Android 8.0 has received a major overhaul. It is now more streamlined than ever and shorter too. The Android Instant Apps allows users to log into apps directly from the browser. Users won't have to install the apps first to do this.